Hey, good afternoon or good evening. It's almost sunset. It's that time of the year. Mohammed here, North End Motors in Canton, Mass. Hey, I just want to share a couple of things with you guys. What we started doing at North End Motors. If you go to our website, northendmotors.com, go to our website and click on the blog. It's on the header. It says blog. And what that basically is doing is we're doing a lot of research. We're doing a lot of things that you may need wintertime. Like for instance, how to carry your car in the wintertime, how to carry your car in the summertime. We have some car comparisons. We have, what you should be doing as a winter, as you travel with family, where you should carry. So we've done a lot of research. We've got a gentleman, Michael McHugh. He's been working with us for a little bit now, and he's helping us put these things together, which could benefit our clients, you, tremendously. So go to our website, go to the northendmotors.com and click on blog, and you'll see it. You'll see what I'm talking about, and kind of read about it. And I think it'll give you a lot of great information that you can use it, every single day. If you're operating a car, if you're buying a car, if you're selling a car, you got a question about interest rates, question about terms, trade-in values, what you should be looking at, how to maintain a car. There's some car comparisons in there. So all kinds of good stuff is in their blog. And we got new articles going up. These are original articles that that you haven't read anywhere else. They're written at our dealership because we want to provide information to our customers. So that's why we started doing this a little while ago now. So just want to make you aware of it. Go to northendmotors.com, click on blog, and you'll see a lot of great articles, and we update these articles. Several of them every week. So you'll see more and more and more car comparison, how to maintain a car. Like I said, I've given you a lot of information already. But check it out. Go to northendmotors.com, click on blog, and check it out, see what you think. Give us your feedback as well. If there's something that you'd like to see, something that you haven't seen, and we'll continue to work on it to make it better. Again, we got a lot of new cars coming in. As you know, there's cars behind me. Let me show you around over here. Look at the cars. We got cars everywhere. Some empty spots here, but people buying cars as well. A lot of beautiful cars, SUVs here. Here's Michael over here with his mask on. We're trying to keep a distance. So he's the one who's been doing the articles. So, let us know what we like to see. Again, we got the canopy. Winter's here. Come check it out. Hey, we got tons of cars. All makes and model. We got financing available, trade-ins. We buy cars, even if you don't buy ours. Whatever you're looking for, northendmotors.com. Check us out. We're here at North End Motors at 390 Turnpike Street in Canton, Mass. as well, if you want to visit us. Come see it. We're open today till 6 o'clock. Tomorrow we'll be open till 5 o'clock. We're closed on Sunday as a family day. I hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe. I know we got to keep the distances. So let's keep it going. We got the vaccine coming hopefully soon for the rest of us after the essential workers, all the essentials goes on. But hey, look, we're here for you, North End Motors. We got the face mask policy obviously in the dealership. So when you do come down, please wear the mask and come on down and check it out. If you need your car service, need to buy a car, need to trade a car, need to sell a car, come visit us or come check us out here at northendmotors.com. Looking forward to seeing you. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe.